Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock your iPhone and open Wallet. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS and has at least 20% battery because updates can appear. Have the new card number, expiration, CVV, and billing address in front of you. This speeds entry and avoids errors. Tap the plus sign in the top right to add a card. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms it's you and keeps the card secure. Once an add card, choose whether to add the new card or tap an existing card to replace it. You can remove the old one after verifying the new. Use the camera to capture the card or type the number and expiration manually if needed, then enter CVV and billing address. Your bank may require verification. Expect a text, email, or a brief call. Complete that step and accept any terms. Make sure you see the card appear in Wallet before moving on. You finish by verifying the new card. Once the bank confirms, the card will show as active in Wallet. Test it. Hold your iPhone near a contactless reader and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to ensure payments go through. If you no longer need the old card, remove it from Wallet to avoid confusion. If something fails, restart your device first, then check billing info. If problems persist, contact the card issuer. Most issues are verification-related and resolvable quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.